Just literally think.
You have to be agile.
Have you tried this?
Break Now, did you hear that?
Not like that.
Just
No.
lie down. Picked him up and left, and didn't make a big deal about it after that. Have you done that? Okay, because what he's seeing is that's okay to keep going wide. And if he's not too soft, that might make. Is he really soft? He's not that soft in there.
Oh, in there, no. But like, when I took him back to the car after jumpers, it was...
Okay, that's different. And don't make a big thing. Once you have said lie down, pick him up. Because the game stops when you don't play by the rules. If you can catch him, I can't catch him.
Do as I say, not as I do.
I try to stop the game, but they keep going. So, and yours could probably very well do the same thing.
Nice.
Because it goes around one.
Nice, very nice.
Nice finish.
And that's what I'm saying. You got to kind of try something.
Yeah.
And if you,
A lasso and a rope and snatch him.
That can also work.
you can't run with the reach.
Jumps.